thing that I do. Pretty cute, not gonna lie. Anyways, so one of the things that I wanted to do besides the sketch stuff, and also if you can tell, I did the hands like really cute. Ooh, what's going on? That lagged on me. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. So you guys see how I did this stamp? I'm gonna explain it and then I'm gonna do another stamp. So this is pretty much like a peony. Hey, I'm gonna go see. So for what time is it? I'm gonna check anyways, but I'm gonna check anyways, but let's see. Ooh. Talking about pasta and the in the chat, and I'm starting to get hungry. Uh-oh. I'm probably gonna have pasta later, probably for lunch. Ugh, it's a good season Among Us. Today at 11? I don't know, KB. I think that's kind of too late in the nighttime. But hey, I'm not working tomorrow, so I'll do it. Ooh. Let me see. Oh, okay, yeah, because the different time zones or whatever. So if it's at 8, I always mess that up. I always forget about that kind of stuff. Alright. So that's going to be 8 o'clock my time, 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. KB time. Okay, so here's what I did. So first I sketched it out, and then I did like the clipping mask, and then put white over it, but right now I didn't do it, just so you can see. Then I took off the background, and then I like exported it as a PNG. So when I exported it as a PNG, and you can see these other ones that I made. All these other cute little stamps I made. Also, Chris has a whole bunch. Hold on. If I can get their information. I like got Chris's stamps online. I forgot from what website. I just looked up free Procreate stamps. And then, you know, you can get free brushes, free Procreate stamps. Hey yo, then if it's 8 p.m. I think me and Cheddar can join. I'll probably... He'll probably let you know later.
No, I'll just think about it.
Okay. Alright, let me see here. So for this one, the signature, it's so I don't have to like write it out each time. Alright, let's see. And then here you go to shape. You can edit it, import a photo from your gallery, import a file, source library, or like paste it. I mean, it goes into a lot, you know. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know. Hey yo! It's whatever. Alright. So technically I don't know how to like make any brush into like a stamp, but if it's already a stamp then I can pretty much you can like duplicate it and then change the shape that way. So this is like a tree stamp. Alright, let me see. Let me make another one. I want to make like a couple flowers. This one over here is like petals, like flower petals. Petal stamp. And this one's like peony. Peony. Sort of reminds me of the kind that a fresh boba tea or tay makes or draws. Let's draw another one. So then that way you guys can see like the process. Let's see. I'm trying to think of like of somebody's whose flower should we get inspiration from? You know who does like really good flowers? KT Canvases? Oh, look at that. Isn't it beautiful? I follow her on TikTok and on Instagram too. Let me see. You know this one right here? Ah, you guys can't see me point to it. Alright. Well, you guys are just gonna have to guess, I guess. Wait, no. And like I said before, we're not tracing. We're not. The only way it would be bad is if we like, if we trace something and then we sold it for profit. That's bad. That's a no-no. You're a terrible person if you do that. But if you take inspiration from something, or you know, and you don't trace, you don't really copy it, but you like how I'm doing it, you use it as a reference. That's what I mean. Then it's okay for you to do it. If people ask, you can say, yes, I referenced this from, you know, KD Canvases, or I referenced this from Fresh Boba Tea. And plus, people can tell if they're well known for it anyway. So, like, you know, why would you lie? So it looks like she does like some squiggles in the middle. And I'm gonna use the my sketch pen, which is like charcoal, I think it is. I don't know. Hold on. I forgot what it is. Sketching. Oh well. Oh yeah, it's the chalk pen, but I renamed it sketching. It's the sketch pen, because that's what I use it for mainly. So it gives it more like a softer edge to look, sort of. Okay, so we're gonna go like that. kind of flower this is, but you know, it sort of reminds me maybe like a daisy or a carnation. No, I don't really know the names of my flowers. A Camilla, I think. I don't know. I think it starts with a C. Back when I was growing up in the old neighborhood, it does remind me of a gardenia, sort of. Back when I was growing up in the old neighborhood, my mom had this big gardenia bush in our front yard, and it always had like I think it was either the spring or summertime. That's when the gardenia blossoms were like, you know, out in full bloom, and it was so nice. When we moved, she couldn't take the whole plant with us, so she had to take like a cutting of it and then grow it back. And then I think it's somewhere around here. I haven't really gone outside that much. So, but it's there's like a cutting from it outside somewhere. I think maybe in the backyard. Okay. Well, I think at this point you should be able to tell. Alright, well, you almost missed one. Alright, there we go. Let's see, let's distort it a little bit because you can also use like the warp tool, liquefy, to get things how you want them, to like give them a little nudge. I'm gonna decide how I want this one. Alright. Okay, so if you tap 3 times, it should go to like white. And then we're gonna do another layer, clipping mask, drag and drop the color. But yeah, alright, let's see, PNG, save image. Let's open up another layer. Change the color to pink, or actually let's have it a little bit darker. Alright. Duplicate it. So like I said before, this only works if you already have like a stamp already in your library, in your brush library. So what we're gonna do is duplicate the peony stamp and then just change the shape. Like that's the easiest way to do it, I think. Import a photo. Done. Peony stamp. We're just gonna name it a flower stamp. Done. Alright, so it should be right here. Look at that. So now, there we go. You have your very own flower stamp. So what happens if you were to like use it as an actual brush? it'll go like something like this. And I feel like this would be like a good, like the stamps make things, I don't know, like I like to use them as embellishing, like to make give an illustration like something a little bit extra. But yeah, we could do like something like this. Now it's not colored in or anything. We would have to go through automatic invert, get the round brush or any brush. Let's see. Ta-da! And then, you know, this is like at the very base. Like how to do a stamp. I don't know if that's too long for me to do like a clip of it, but I'll edit it later. Alright, so we did this stamp. It's very pretty. With the peony stamp, I like to do like the shadows and stuff and the highlights, but with this one it doesn't really need anything. It's like, you know, really cute. Yeah. So yeah, that's how to make a stamp.